If you're in the home service business and you're looking for an all-in-one solution to streamline your operations, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover how to use Housecall Pro to improve your business efficiency, all while saving time and maximizing profits. Stick around to the end, and I'll share an exclusive offer to get this software completely free, along with some bonuses. Housecall Pro is a powerful software built to help home service businesses manage their work more effectively, and it's designed to handle everything from scheduling and invoicing to marketing and customer communications. Whether you're running a plumbing, HVAC, or cleaning business, this tool offers a wide range of features tailored to streamline your day-to-day operations. To get started, you'll first need to set up your account. Housecall Pro is simple to sign up for, and once you're in, you'll find a clean and intuitive dashboard. From here, you can add all of your employees, set up services, and customize your preferences. One of the first features you'll want to explore is scheduling. Housecall Pro makes scheduling easy by allowing you to book jobs quickly and assign them to technicians. You can manage multiple appointments at once and even set up recurring appointments, which is great if you're managing ongoing contracts. The software integrates with your calendar, so you'll never double book or miss an appointment again. Next up, let's talk about the mobile app. Housecall Pro has an app that works on both iOS and Android devices, making it super convenient for your field technicians. They can access job details, update the status of a job, and even get payment information, all from their phone. This helps keep your team connected and ensures you're always on top of your business, no matter where you are. When it comes to invoicing, Housecall Pro really shines. You can generate professional-looking invoices instantly, and your customers can pay directly from the app. Whether you're accepting credit cards, debit cards, or even checks, Housecall Pro integrates with several payment processors, allowing you to get paid faster without the hassle of paper invoicing. Now, let's dive into the customer management side. Housecall Pro allows you to keep track of all your customer interactions, from initial contact to follow-ups. You can log notes, track service history, and even send automated reminders or promotions. This not only saves you time, but helps you build stronger relationships with your customers. Housecall Pro also offers powerful marketing tools that can help grow your business. You can set up automated text reminders, run promotions, and gather reviews from satisfied clients. The software can automatically send out review requests after each job, which can help you build a strong online presence and attract more business. Another key feature is the reporting tools. Housecall Pro offers detailed reports that show how your business is performing, from financials to technician productivity. This data helps you make informed decisions and identify areas for improvement. Finally, if you need help, Housecall Pro offers 24/7 customer support, so you can rest assured that assistance is just a phone call away if you run into any issues. To recap, Housecall Pro is a game changer for home service businesses looking to automate and streamline operations. From easy scheduling and mobile access to invoicing, customer management, and marketing tools, it's an all-in-one platform that helps you save time and increase profits. And don't forget, if you're ready to try it out for yourself, we've got an exclusive offer for you. Use the first link in the description below to get started with a completely free trial, plus some bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Trust me, this is the software you've been looking for to take your home service business to the next level. So make sure to check out the link and get started with Housecall Pro today.